Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making honey garlic chicken. Before we jump into this video, I'd like to encourage you to please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my delicious recipes. Like, share, and comment. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. I have here some flakes, pepper, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, chili pepper, and our honey garlic rub in some chicken bouillon. Alright, we have some garlic chili oil, some mustard, and some honey in our washed whole chicken. So we'll mix our dry ingredients together. Then we'll go in with the oil, or garlic chili oil, and our honey, and some of our honey mustard. We will mix everything together. Now we make sure to pat dry our chicken, remove any excess water. Now we will apply this rub all over this chicken. Make sure to get under the skin of the chicken as well. And before you even rub the chicken with this amazing rub, make sure to taste it. I taste everything, all right? And it is to what, you like. So I'm going under the skin of the chicken, right up under that breast, infuse all that good honey garlic flavor. And it looks amazing. And let this sit for about 4 hours. And then I baked at 350 degrees for 55 minutes. Then you can glaze the chicken with some of that glaze that's in the pot or your pan and serve. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for spending the time with me today. Do enjoy this amazing honey garlic chicken. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.